everyone, it's Sarah with AWE, and behind me is a 21 plus Cadillac Escalade with the 6.2 liter and the AWE Zero FG system installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you. But before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. The AWE system begins with included front pipes for a true dual system. They slide directly over the existing piping and begin after the factory emissions equipment. From here, exhaust gases flow through an X pipe to keep those V8 tones nice and smooth. Plus, we have fitment for regular and long wheelbase vehicles. Next up are individual resonators added to keep those tones deep and refined. Plus, we can see more of the 3-inch US-sourced T304L stainless that continues up and over the axle with plenty of clearance around all of the rear components. That brings us to the 180 Technology resonators. 180 Technology is AWE's patented solution that eliminates drone, that annoying low-frequency noise typically experienced at highway speeds. It pinpoints and silences drone-prone frequencies without interrupting flow while delivering the power of a straight-pipe exhaust. That brings us to the tip section. It features a ball flange for perfect adjustability within the valance and comes with quad 4.5-inch double-walled and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. But if aftermarket tips are not your thing, we also have an option that fits with the OE tips as well. So now that you've seen the system, here's how it sounds. We hope you like what you heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.